If your Ring Chime has gone silent, don't worry. Most of the time, the fix is just a simple settings tweak or a power cycle. Data shows that over 85% of these issues are actually related to your Wi-Fi connection rather than a hardware failure. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to get your doorbell alerts back online. Start by unplugging the chime for 30 seconds to clear any temporary software glitches that might be blocking the signal. The LED on the front of your device is your best friend for identifying exactly where the communication is breaking down. Inside the Ring app, double-check that your chime is actually linked to your doorbell and that alerts aren't accidentally muted. If software tweaks don't work, we need to determine if the device itself has reached its end of life. As you can see, a simple reset or fixing your Wi-Fi signal resolves the problem in nearly 3/4 of all cases. If all else fails, a factory reset will wipe the device and allow you to set it up as if it were brand new. Make sure you have your Wi-Fi password and a paperclip ready before you begin the factory reset process. Remember that distance matters. Even a few feet closer to your router can prevent these dropouts from happening again. Your Ring Chime should now be sounding loud and clear. If this helped, check out our other tech fix guides.